Hi, hello. This is Nirupama Chachi, and I'm back with my topic in my channel Health Alerts. Today, I'll be dealing with one more informative and exciting topic. However, first thing first, a well-informed person is more likely to survive longer than an uninformed one. This is an undisputed fact because an apple a day may no more keep a doctor away. Today, I'll be talking on a subject which is very much related in today's climate, that is soaring mercury, a very high temperature outside. Therefore, maintaining a cooling system, within our body is of paramount importance so that we can safeguard ourselves from the soaring heat. So the topic will be what air conditioning does to our body. Air conditioning can have both positive and negative effects on the human body depending on various factors such as temperature setting, duration of exposure, and individual sensitivity. Air conditioning also cools and provides comfort. Air conditioning helps regulate indoor temperatures, providing relief from hot and humid weather conditions. It promotes comfort by lowering the body's core temperature, reducing sweating, and preventing heat-related illness like heat exhaustion or heat stroke. Air conditioning affects indoor air largely. Now, if you work in an air-conditioned building with poor ventilation, it can raise your risk of sick building syndrome. Now, that's a technical term. What is sick building syndrome? Sick building syndrome includes headaches, dry cough, dizziness, and nausea, trouble concentrating, fatigue, and sensitivity to smells or odors. Forced indoor air may also slightly raise your risk of COVID-19, but Center for Disease Control USA says the risk is small though. Lower it even more with regular filter changes, opening windows, and covering coughs and sneezes. Air conditioning dehydrates you. Air conditioners suck moisture out of a room to bring down the humidity and cool it off. This can pull water from your skin to drying it and you out. Dry air can cause increased water loss through respiration and evaporation from the skin, leading to dry throat, dry skin, and dry eyes. It's important, therefore, to stay adequately hydrated when spending prolonged periods in air-conditioned environments. Air conditioning dries out your eyes too. The lack of humidity in air-conditioned spaces can dry your eyes. This can make them irritated and itchy and may even make your vision blurry. Air conditioning can contribute to dry eyes due to reduced humidity levels. This can cause eye irritation, redness, itchiness, or a gritty sensation. Taking breaks, using artificial tears, or using a humidifier can help alleviate these symptoms. Positively, air conditioning boosts metabolism also. Studies show more time in cold weather may help you lose weight. Your body may develop a greater amount of healthy, energy burning brown fat as it deals with more frigid air. Now, brown fat is again a technical term, a new term. What is brown fat? Brown fat is also called brown adipose tissue, is a type of body fat that keeps you warm when you get cold. Brown fat also stores energy and helps your body burn calories. Brown fat starts working in cold temperatures. Air conditioning in hot weather can help you in a cool state overall. Now, air conditioning is said to help you think better also. A 2018 Harvard study showed that students who lived in dormitories without AC during hot summer months did worse on cognitive tests than those who had cool central air. Air conditioners can irritate your airways too. Studies show that people who work in air conditioned buildings have more respiratory problems, for example, like irritated nasal passage, trouble breathing, than people who work in buildings with natural ventilation. Air conditioner can cause your head ache too. If you spend time in indoor spaces with HVAC, what is HVAC? I'll just tell systems that are dirty or not well maintained. You are more likely to have headaches or even migraines. Now, what is HVAC? HVAC is a term for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. In one study, 8% of people who work in unhealthy indoor environments had headaches 1 to 3 days a month, and 8% had daily headaches. Air conditioning lowers your heat tolerance. Scientists have coined the term adaptive comfort model to describe why spending more time in air conditioning makes it harder to deal with hot temperatures. Your ideal temperature depends on part on whether whatever temperature you have recently been exposed to. The more you hang out in spaces pumped full of AC, the less comfortable heat and humidity will feel. Frequent transitions between cold indoor temperatures and hot outdoor temperatures can potentially strain the body's thermoregulatory system. Sudden temperature change can cause blood vessel constriction and dilation, leading to headaches, fatigue, or even respiratory infections in some cases. Now, air conditioning pollutes the outside air too. Older air conditioning units can release CFCs, which is chlorofluorocarbons. Now, this is a hot topic of discussion globally because this is considered to be one reason for the global warming or climate change. This is a refrigerant that can harm the ozone layer, heating up the earth. In fact, the US Clean Air Act began phasing these coolants out in the 1990s, but there are still many in use across the globe. Air condition ramps up allergies. If you keep your AC clean, it can in fact tame allergies. But an HVAC system can quickly become a home for microbial allergens. Be sure you have your system inspected regularly and keep it well maintained so you don't add to your allergy issues. Air conditioning helps you sleep better. Experts say sleeping in a room that's between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal for the best rest. This is because your body cools down as a part of a natural sleep cycle, so a cool room helps that happen. Sometimes AC is the tool you need to get your sleep space to the right temperature. AC also saves lives during heat waves. Air conditioning may come with some negative effects, but there is no doubt it can be life-saving when temperatures soar. Once your temperature goes above 102 degrees, you are at risk of heat exhaustion, nausea, cramps, dizziness, feeling faint, and if you continue to heat up, you could even end up getting heat strokes. Air condition. Can air conditioning make your body ache? This is a very frequently asked question. Air conditioning itself doesn't directly cause body aches. However, prolonged exposure to cold temperature from air conditioning unit can potentially contribute to muscle stiffness or discomfort in some individuals. This is often referred to as air conditioning related muscle pain or cold induced muscle soreness. To mitigate the potential discomfort associated with air conditioning, try the following. Avoid excessive use of air conditioners. Adjust the temperature. Set the temperature to a comfortable level, avoiding extreme cold conditions. Use a fan. If possible, use a fan alongside the air conditioning to improve air circulation and minimize cold drafts. Dress appropriately. Wear clothing that provides a suitable level of insulation to keep your body comfortable in the air conditioned environment. Stay hydrated. Air conditioning can dehydrate the body, so ensure you drink enough water to stay properly hydrated. Take breaks. Periodically step out of the air conditioned area to expose yourself to a more moderate temperature and allow your body to adjust. It's worth noting that everyone's sensitivity to temperature and their tolerance for cold environments can vary. So what may cause discomfort for one person may not affect another person in the same way. If you frequently experience persistent body aches or discomfort associated with air conditioning, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional for a proper evaluation. So that was all about air conditioning for today. In fact, air conditioning, as I said in the beginning, is not a luxury, it is a necessity today, looking at the rising temperature. And it's very much needed indoor as well as outdoor. But to what extent air conditioning should be used, how it should be adjusted so that we remain in our best of health while using air conditioning was the topic for discussion. Hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, please do share it. Now, before I sign off, I always say laughter is the yeah. So before I sign off today's laughter dose, because I always say laughter is the best medicine. So today's laughter dose here goes. यस, आपका डर वही है जो आप अपनी सोच में पैदा करता है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर. सी यू in my next episode. Bye bye.